Hello children, welcome to 7th Science online classes. Nutrition in animals. Today we are going to solve the exercise questions in your textbook. So all of you get ready with your textbook. Exercises page number 20, 21 and 22 in your textbook. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. The main steps of nutrition in humans are dash, 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 dash and dash. The main steps of nutrition in humans are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. The main steps of nutrition in humans are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. B part is the largest gland in the human body is dash. The largest gland in the human body is liver. Question C. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juices which act on food. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices which act on food. Question D. The inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called dash. The inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called villi. Question E. Amoeba digests its food in the dash. Amoeba digests its food in the food vacuole. Question number 2. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. Question A. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. True or false? So that statement is false. Digestion of starch starts in the buccal cavity, and from the stomach proteins digestion starts. So that A statement is false. Then go to statement B. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. Yes, that statement is true. Statement C. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. Yes, that statement is true. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. Statement D. The ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. Yes, that statement is also true. Then go to question number 3. Tick mark the correct answer in each of the following. Put the tick mark. Fat is completely digested in the stomach, mouth, small intestine, large intestine. It's completely digested in the small intestine, but it is start from mouth but completely digested in small intestine. So the answer is small intestine. So put a tick mark to that small intestine. Next, B. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the stomach, food pipe, small intestine, large intestine. So from where the undigested food, water from undigested food is absorbed? That is from large intestine. So answer is large intestine. So put the tick mark on large intestine. Question 4. Match the items of column 1 with those given in column 2. In column 1, it given food components, and column 2, products of digestion. See, first one, carbohydrate. Carbohydrates. So here, which one is match? Carbohydrates, sugar. Carbohydrates, sugar. And proteins. Proteins, amino acids. Proteins, amino acids. And fats, after digestion of fats, the products are fatty acids and glycerol. Fatty acids and glycerol. So I am repeating once again. Carbohydrates, after digestion, get sugar. After digestion, proteins is converted to amino acids. And fats, after digestion, products are fatty acids and glycerol. Question number 5. What are villi? What is their location and function? Answer. The finger-like projections in the inner walls of the small intestines is called villi. These are found in small intestine. And function. The villi increases the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Question number 6. Where is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? Answer. Bile is produced in liver. The bile juice stored in sac called the gallbladder. It helps in the digestion of fats. Question number 7. Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. Answer. Cellulose is the carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants. Ruminants have large sac-like structure in their stomach called rumen. The cellulose of the food is digested by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. Question number 8. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Answer. Because glucose easily breaks down and provides instant energy to the organism. Glucose does not need digestion. It is directly absorbed into the blood. Question number 9. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in? Which part? Absorption of food, small intestine, chewing of food, buccal cavity, killing of bacteria, stomach, complete digestion of food, small intestine, formation of feces, large intestine. I will repeat once again. Absorption of food in small intestine, chewing of food in buccal cavity, killing of bacteria in stomach, complete digestion of food in small intestine, formation of feces in large intestine. Yes, then we'll go to question number 10. Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. So you know that amoeba is a unicellular organism and human being, that is a multicellular organism. More cells are there. Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition. First we see what is the similarity between amoeba and human being. Human and amoeba both need digestive juices for the digestion of food. Human as well as amoeba needs digestive juices. So that is one similarity. And one difference. Humans need to chew the food. On the other hand, amoeba does not need to chew the food. So that is the one similarity and one difference.